ruhonge rwa andu kiumbe kuma kaunti ya Naikuru ruria rukurikanite ta Midrift Human Rights Network ni rutanyite gukorwo rukiruguria tabarira iria tanyitwo kuhurana na uhaguku wa ugitari na makiria kaunti ya Naikuru ya irathero hamwe na iria ya ithuero. Tabarira ino itanyitwo kwandikithia andu kana itanyitwo guteithiriria kuhurana na mbeu njithi kana aria makoretwo tiganite. Catherine Wanderi kuma ruhonge ruru ni agwite ati mari na mwihoko munene kana mari na mwihoko munene wa tabarira ni gukorwo ikigia maciaro na makiria ari kuhurana na njakara cia ekinae.
So the title of the project is Peace and Social Cohesion through Multisectoral Youth-led Dialogue on Conflict Mediation and Violence Prevention. It's a pilot project, a partnership between Midrift Human Rights Network and the GIZ, the Civil Peace Service. And since it's a pilot project, we are implementing in Naikuru Town East and Naikuru Town West. In 4 months' time, we can say we might not be able to really achieve the long-term objectives, but there's what we call pathways to outcomes. So we are trying to at least engage the youth in a conversation that will gear them towards changing their mindset on violence prevention and conflict mediation.
This project is coming with a certain background that some of them engaged by the politician during the campaigns crop in. Hard economic situation that we are having, and those statistics means that is a population that are active on the ground without any meaningful job or opportunity to the nation. I cannot say even the county or national, to the nation, because we are not providing those youths with opportunities. So this is coming through that background, and we just saw the post-election politics and the polarization that was there. You saw the recent demonstrations, and who are involved? The majority were the youth.
Haya, kamanda wa borithi na makiria